Teachers and students, Mr. P coming from Bulldog Bytes. I'm just going to quickly go over how to access Schoology, and by the way, I am using the program Screencast-O-Matic, the screen recorder. It's a free service that if you did have to do lessons from home or remotely, or you wanted to do a demo, this would be a great tool. It's free. You just got to go to their website. Okay. Without further ado, we're going to go. You're going to access your ClassLink Launchpad. You could do that right from the school webpage by clicking on ClassLink. We'll log in just using your username, not the full email. Okay, and for us, we're going to go down to Schoology. Okay, and then we're basically here. All right, for you guys, you're going to be focusing on courses. All right, so you'll click courses, and these are some of the courses I've been working with. So we'll click on Ms. Norden's class here. All right, and you can see how it is all laid out. Okay, now one of the things that you need to do in order to best utilize your Office 365 documents, and we'll get to that in a minute, is by clicking on resources up here. Okay, then you're going to go down to apps on this side. This has to be linked to your OneDrive in order for you to get the documents and just be able to drop them in nice and easy. And once this thing loads up, you'll see how easy that process is. Okay, so mine is linked, so all my stuff that I have on OneDrive is easily here, so that I can access whatever information and drop it into a course. And the way you do that is once your document is over here, you'll click and you can import the file. You can also just import it as a link, but it's best to do it as a full file, so this way we don't have any downloading problems. Alright, so going back to courses here. Quick review: if you had wanted to give an assignment or add your notes, you add material. Okay, for an assignment, it's there. You click on it, and you're able to really give the name of the assignment, the description. Okay, you can give a due date, category, just go ungraded for now. All right, and you have the choice down here to submissions enabled. You can publish to students. You can individually assign. You can create comments or the kids can have comments if you want. That's all up to you. Here you can put additional files, links. Okay, you can even do a voice recording, so that if you wanted a verbal explanation, that can be done too. All right. Additionally, we can go up here. You can add a test, quiz, assessment. You can actually put in your Edpuzzle. Okay. And just by clicking on the Edpuzzle, and this is the assignments. You actually add your videos in Edpuzzle. Add your video in Edpuzzle straight from the site. Once you get to the site, okay, you're going to click on the I, okay, and that will allow you. These little teardrops are questions built in. This one was pre-made. So you click here to the assign, and the full class will have the assignment. So Edpuzzle is a really, really neat thing. It prevents skip-throughs, and if you had to do a video demo, you can either create your own YouTube video or go with something that's already made. Okay. In addition to add materials, we'll go down here. You can add a discussion. If kids can't be here in school and you want to have a discussion for class participation points, it's pretty easy to do. You'll see that you'll give it a title, very similar, and you'll put your description discussion in there. Now you'll see, right, this little kind of ruler thing here is an Edpuzzle. Okay, the little bubbles over here signify that that is a discussion. Okay, and the folder here is going to tell you that it's an assignment or a file. Okay, so going back here, you can utilize Flipgrid and other methods to get creative with your assignments. But if you just want straightforward stuff, then you can just add your assignments here, and you'll see on the left there's events, right? Upcoming, you'll have vocab homework due, or a quiz is going to be given on this date. It's a pretty intuitive thing to have. So if you have any questions, of course, don't hesitate to give us a buzz up here, and we'll be happy to help you. All right, I hope this helps. Have a great day.